Google's biggest event of the year, Google I/O 2026, happened a few days ago, and in case you missed it, we will be covering everything that has been announced along with what they mean for you in this video. So grab a drink and stay tuned as you are in for a treat. Sundar Pichai opened the keynote with a bold statement about Google entering a new era. He called this the agentic Gemini era, and everything announced in the event flows from that single idea, AI that does things for you, not just talks to you. With that said, let's go through everything they revealed. First, we have the models powering everything. Google launched Gemini 3.5 Flash, the first model in their new 3.5 series, and this thing is a beast. Compared to the old 3.1 Pro, 3.5 Flash actually beats it across all benchmarks while also being faster and cheaper. It's specifically designed for agents and coding, which means long and complex tasks that take time to execute in the real world. And it delivers frontier-level performance at less than half the price of comparable models from competitors. The new model is available right now across Google's products like the Gemini app, web, search, and APIs. And with Gemini 3.5 Pro coming next month, it's going to be even more powerful. Next, we have another exciting one, which is Gemini Omni, a world model. This is a completely new model family, and it does something no AI model has done before. It can generate content in any output format from any input. Currently, they are starting with video output only, with future plans for other types. You feed it inputs in text, images, and even in video format, and will create new video from that. Gemini Omni Flash is already live in the Gemini app, Google Flow, and YouTube Shorts. Developers and enterprise customers will get API access in the coming weeks. After that, we have a big one, Gemini Spark, your personal AI agent. This is Google's answer to the question, what if you had a personal assistant available 24/7, running in the background, handling stuff for you? To put more briefly, this is also Google's answer to Claude Cowork. Spark is a dedicated AI agent built into the Gemini app. It runs on its own virtual machines on Google Cloud, meaning it's always on, always working, even when you're not looking at it. It is powered by Gemini 3.5 and Google Antigravity. You can give Spark long-horizon tasks like research something, book something, organize something, or draft something, and it handles those while you go about your day. It integrates with all Google tools, and in the coming weeks, it will connect to third-party tools through MCP or Model Context Protocol. It is currently in beta and is rolling out to Google AI Ultra subscribers in the US next week, starting with trusted testers. Next, we have reinvention of Google Search. You can now set up personalized AI agents that run in the background and monitor topics you care about 24/7. Want to know when a flight price drops? When a news story develops? When a product comes back in stock? You set it up once, and the agent works for you continuously. These are called information agents, and they're rolling out this summer, starting with Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. After that, we have Generative UI and Search. Search will now build custom visual experiences just for your individual queries. So instead of a list of links or even an AI summary, you might get a dynamic, interactive layout custom-built for your exact question in real time. Suppose you ask about a recipe, and it builds a step-by-step visual guide. This is also powered by Gemini 3.5 Flash and Google Antigravity, and is coming to everyone for free this summer. Next, we have update for Google Antigravity, which is Google's agent-first development platform, kind of like Cursor. Antigravity 2.0 is now a standalone desktop app that acts as a central hub for building and orchestrating agents. You can spin up specialized sub-agents to tackle different parts of a complex workflow. It has built-in terminal sandboxing, credential masking, and hardened Git policies, so it's secure by default. They also shipped an anti-gravity CLI for those who prefer working in the terminal. For developers, Gemini 3.5 Flash is available in anti-gravity today, and Google says they've built a version of Flash that's 12 times faster than competing frontier models, which is wild. Coming next, we have another new Gemini app feature that is Daily Brief. If you set it up once, every morning Gemini can give you a personalized digest. It pulls from your inbox, your calendar, and the web, and synthesizes the most important things you need to know. It's like having an executive assistant who reads everything and hands you a summary. Currently, this is rolling out to Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers in the US. Next, we have major updates for Google Flow, as Google is positioning it as a creative AI studio. The new Flow agent can plan and reason through complex creative projects. You can have it brainstorm, create, and edit alongside you with full understanding of your project context. You can even vibe code custom creative tools right inside Flow, meaning you describe what you want, and it builds the tool for you. So the new features include Gemini Omni integration, the Flow agent, and custom-made tools. Google Flow Music is also evolving, as you can now edit specific sections of a song, reimagine full tracks, and create music videos using Gemini Omni. That's generative video plus generative music combined. Mobile apps too are now live. Flow is in beta on Android with iOS coming soon, and Flow Music is available now on iOS with Android coming soon. After that, we have a new product from Google. Meet Google Pics, a brand new AI image creation and editing tool. It's built on the latest Nano Banana model, and what makes Pics different from tools like Imagen is how it treats images. Every element is treated as an individual object, not part of a flat, static image. That means you can create something, then go in and swap out specific details like changing the background, editing one element, swapping a color without regenerating the whole thing. So, you get precise control that feels almost like Photoshop but AI-powered. Pics is currently in trusted tester phase, rolling out later this summer to Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in Workspace. Next, we have another big one with a new feature called Universal Cart. It's an intelligent shopping cart that works across merchants and across Google services. Add something to your cart while browsing in search, chatting with Gemini, watching a YouTube video, or even reading a Gmail email about a sale. It all goes into one universal cart. But here's the smart part. The moment you add a product, the cart starts working for you in the background. It finds deals, tracks price drops, shows you price history, and alerts you when something you wanted comes back in stock. It even warns you about error in your purchase. For example, suppose you have added a motherboard and a processor to your cart which are not compatible. It will check and warn you about that issue and will help you find compatible alternatives. The feature is rolling out across Search, Gemini, and Chrome soon. After that, we have another game changer, which is Ask YouTube feature. It is a conversational AI feature coming to YouTube this summer. So instead of scrubbing through a 45-minute video to find the one part you care about, you can just ask AI. Ask YouTube will surface the exact video and jump you directly to the relevant timestamp. It's like having a search engine for the content inside videos, not just the titles, which will be a massive help and will save you a lot of time. Google Workspace also got some updates. Docs Live is a new voice-powered feature where you can literally talk to Gemini and it drafts your document for you. Just verbally dump your thoughts and let Gemini structure it. You'll also soon be able to edit existing documents with your voice. This is rolling out to subscribers this summer. Before showing the next, let me ask you, with AI-generated content everywhere, how do you know what's real? Google's answer is SynthID and C2PA content credentials. SynthID is Google's digital watermarking technology for AI-generated content. Now they're expanding it dramatically, as SynthID verification is coming to Google Search and Chrome. C2PA content credentials is also rolling out in the Gemini app and coming to Search and Chrome. So when you see a piece of content, you'll be able to check if it was made by a camera, generated by AI, or edited with AI tools. And Google isn't doing this alone. OpenAI, Kakao, and 11 Labs are all adopting SynthID too. This is becoming an industry standard for AI content transparency. After that, we have Gemini for Science, which is for researchers and scientists. It combines Gemini's deep reasoning and research capabilities with deep think and deep research to accelerate scientific work. It includes new experiments on Google Labs and Science Skills, which connects agentic platforms like Antigravity to over 30 major life science databases and tools. So imagine an AI agent that can run through scientific literature, query databases, and synthesize findings automatically. Science Skills is available now on GitHub and directly in Antigravity. And saving one of the most exciting hardware announcements for last, which is intelligent eyewear. Google has revealed new smart glasses frames in partnership with Samsung coming this fall. These aren't just glasses with a camera. They can give you turn-by-turn directions without pulling out your phone, let you send texts hands-free, snap photos on the go, and much more. And the design is also better than Meta's, which look kind of weird. This is Google's vision of ambient computing, which means AI that lives in your field of view, not on a screen you have to look down at. So that's Google I/O 2026. And what an event! Google is gradually turning into the final boss of Sekiro, near impossible to beat. They are not just building AI that answers questions anymore, they are building AI that will get infused with the real world. Out of all these, we are most excited for Daily Briefs and Gemini Spark. Let us know your favorites in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe to Alpha Intellect for more AI updates. We also have other channels, feel free to check them out. All links will be provided in this video's description and this channel's homepage. And with that said, keep learning and stay tuned for the next video.